Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about derivative using logarithm function. Derivative using logarithm function. In last class, already we discussed the derivative of inverse trigonometric function using proper substitution method. Last class, already we discussed derivative of inverse trigonometric function using proper substitution method. Now we are going to discuss derivative using logarithm function. Derivative using logarithm function. अच्छा, if the function contains, if the function of the type variable to power variable, or the function is a complex function means the function contains many product terms, division and also power. So in this case we use logarithm. Again, if the function of the type, if the function of the type 1 fx to power gx, that is variable to power variable to power variable. Second one, f1x into f2x into f3x fnx, or f1x into f2x into f3x divided by g1x into g2x into g3x, this type, or f1x to power g1x into f2x to power g2x divided by f3x to power g3x into f4x to power g4x. So in this case we use logarithm. If the function of the type variable to power variable or many product terms, or product term divided by means many product term and division terms, or power terms, so in this case we use logarithm. Okay. अच्छा, some properties of logarithms are there. Properties of logarithm already आम जानी आगु. Properties of logarithm. One, log of mn is equal to log m plus log n. Similarly, log of mnpq is equal to log m plus log n plus log p plus log q. 3, log of m by n is equal to log m minus log n. Okay. Next, log of m to power n is equal to n log m. So these are very important, and we use this. Also 5, log base a to power fx is equal to simply fx. So if the function of this type, we use logarithm, and using these properties we solve, means we find the derivative of given function. We find the derivative of given functions. Type 1. Type 1. Type 1. If y is equal to fx to power gx. If y is equal to fx to power gx. Taking log on both sides. Taking log on both sides. Log means logarithm. Logarithm on both sides with base e. Log without base means that is e. So implies log of y is equal to log of fx to power gx. So implies log of y is equal to, this is log of m to power n. Log of m to power n, that is n log m. N means g of x. Log fx. Log fx means log fx base e. Differentiating both sides. Differentiating both sides with respect to x, we get implies d by dx of log of y is equal to d by dx of g of x into log of fx. G of x into log of fx. D by dx of log y is equal to d by dx of g of x into log fx. अच्छा, d by dx of log y, this is y, this is x. So in this case we use chain rule. In this case we use chain rule. So what? This is d by dy of log y into dy by dx. Or you may use also d by dx of log fx. So is equal to, this is u, this is v. Product of two term. Product of two term means derivative of u into v. So use derivative of u into v means derivative of u whole into v plus derivative of v whole into u. So this is d by dx of gx whole into log fx plus g of x into d by dx of log fx. D by dx of log fx. We know that d by dx of log x equal 1 by x. D by dx of log x means 1 by x. So d by dy of log y means what? 1 by y into dy by dx is equal to d by dx of gx can be taken as g dash x. D by dx of gx को हमें कौन ना बा g dash x. So this is g dash x into log of fx plus g of x into d by dx of log fx. D by dx of log fx means use the chain rule. 1 by fx into d by dx of fx. 1 by fx into d by dx of what? fx. Okay. Therefore dy by dx हम कौन दरकार अच्छे हमको ना dy by dx दरकार अच्छे. तो ठीक अच्छे dy by dx is equal to y डा कौन करे सब लोग मल्टीप्लाई कर दियो, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर दियो. तो y into curly bracket g dash x into log fx plus gx into by fx into d by dx of fx can be taken as d by dx of fx can be taken as f dash x. For example, fx is sin x, so d by dx of sin x is cos x, that f dash x is cos x. Okay, so d by dx of fx को मैं denote करूँगी कौन fx. तो implies implies dy by dx is equal to what is y? Y is equal to fx to power gx. fx to power gx means y का जगह में कौन पुट कर ले fx to power gx पुट कर दे fx to power gx into g dash x into log fx plus gx into f dash x divided by fx. So this is dy by dx. dy by dx. What is y? Y is fx to power gx. So d by dx of fx to power gx means d by dx of fx to power gx. d by dx of fx to power gx means fx to power gx into dy dx of gx into log fx plus gx into dy dx of log fx, that is f dash x by fx. बुझी पाले कौन कहली? तो दिस प्रोसेस यही प्रोसेस अनुसार हमको सॉल्व करिया पड़ियो. फाइंड द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ y, फाइंड द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ वेरिएबल टू पावर वेरिएबल. दिस इज वेरिएबल टू पावर वेरिएबल, बोथ आर x. तो वेरिएबल टू पावर वेरिएबल तो हमको कौन यूज करिया पड़ियो? लॉगरिथम यूज करिया पड़ियो. जब वेरिएबल टू पावर कांस्टेंट थांता तो fx टू पावर n फार्मूला पड़ितना में, कांस्टेंट पर वेरिएबल थिले a टू पावर fx पड़ितना में. बट ये कौन सी वेरिएबल टू पावर वेरिएबल अच्छी. तो वेरिएबल टू पावर वेरिएबल केस में कौन यूज करिबा? लॉगरिथम. ओके, तो आपको बेस कर वर्तमान किसी एप्लीकेशन करिया देखा. एप्लीकेशन application 1 differentiate 1 sin x to power x square plus 1, 2 tan x to power sec x or sec square x, 3 log x to power x cube, 4 x to power x whole into x, 5 x to power x to power x to power x. This x to power x to power x. Okay, solution. Solution let 1 y is equal to sin x to power x square plus 1. Y is equal to sin x to power x square plus 1. So this is fx, this is gx. So fx to power what? Gx. Taking log on both side. Taking log on both side. We get log of y is equal to log of sin x to power x square plus 1. So implies log of y is equal to log fx to power gx. तो gx means a power टा आगु आसीजिवो x square plus 1 log of sin x. Differentiating both side with respect to x, we get, so implies d by dx of log y is equal to d by dx of x square plus 1 log sin x. d by dx of x square plus 1 log sin x. Okay, तो d by dx of log y, d by dx of log y means this is 1 by y into dy by dx. Mind it, d by dx of log y means 1 by y into derivative of y, because x and y are not equal. So first हम यूज करें चेन रूल, d log y by dy into dy by dx, or you may write also this way, dy by dy into log y into dy by dx. This is d by dx of u into v formula, u into v, तो यूज प्रोडक्ट रूल, तो d by dx of u into v, v means log sin x, plus x square plus 1 into d by dx of log sin x. Okay, अच्छा, implies, तो 1 by y, d by dy of log y means 1 by y into dy by dx is equal to d by dx of x square, d by dx of x square is 2x, d by dx of 1 is 0, तो 2x log sin x plus x square plus 1 is a constant, plus x square plus 1 is a constant, d by dx of log fx, this is fx, sin x को treat करो fx, तो d by dx of log fx means 1 by fx, तो 1 by fx into derivative of fx, fx means what, sin x, तो implies y को multiply कर सेपट को क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर दियो, तो dy by dx is equal to y into 2x log sin x plus x square plus 1 divided by sin x, derivative of sin x is cos x, so this is cos x, so implies d by dx of what is y, y is sin x to power x square plus 1 is equal to, put y के जगह हम पकड़ दवा sin x to power x square plus 1 into curly bracket 2x into log sin x plus x square plus 1 cos x by sin x is cot x, cos x by sin x is cot x, so this is the answer. तो derivative of sin x to power x square plus 1 is equal to जहाँ अच्छी एटी से होची, तापर derivative of power टा हला into log sin x plus x square power दिन रहे गला derivative of log sin x means what, cot x. तो similarly we can do question number 2, question number 3, but वर्तमान काम करिए question number 4. Next question number 4. Question number 4. Question number 4. Let y is equal to x to power x bracket x. अच्छा, this is equal to a to power m whole to power n. A to power m whole to power n means a to power mn. A to power m whole to power n means a to power mn. So this is a to power m whole to power n is equal to a to power mn means x to power x into x is equal to x to power what, x square. So taking log on both side, we get log of y is equal to log of x to power x square. So implies log of y is equal to log m to power n. Log m to power n means n log m. This is x square log x. So differentiating both sides with respect to x. So this implies d by dx of log y is equal to d by dx of x square log x. x square log x. डायरेक्ट पकड़ दिया थ्रो मन रहेगा 1 by y into dy by dx, 1 by y into dy by dx is equal to u into v formula, d by dx of u into v. Use d by dx of u into v means d by dx of u into v plus u into d by dx of v. Okay. So 1 by y implies 1 by y into dy by dx is equal to d by dx of x square. D by dx of x square means 2x. D by dx of x square means 2x. 2x log x plus x square रहेगला. D by dx of log x means 1 by x. तो गोटे x कटला देखो एठी. तो implies what is dy by dx. dy by dx means y टाको राइट साइड नहीं जाओ. तो y into 2x log x plus x. 2x log x plus x. तो implies d by dx of what is y? Y is this x to power x is equal to एटी में पुट कर दियो x to power x into एटू x टी कॉमन बाहर कर दियो तो x कॉमन आसी गला into 2 log x plus 1. This is the answer, or you may take also x to power x into x into this is 2 log x plus 1 means log of e. 1 means log of e, or this is x to power x square into x into this is log x square plus log of e. तो इज इक्वल टू x to power x square plus 1 जैसे पावर 1 अच्छी तो ऐड कर दियो into log e x square. log e x square ये भी आंसर हो परियो हला. तो तुम 8 रखि पारो और 8 भी रखि पारो. तो x to power x square plus 1 log e x square. Next question number 5. Question number 5. log e means 1. log e means 1. तो 1 जगह हमें कौन पुट करछे log e पुट कराई छे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. let y is equal to x to power x. This is x to power x, this is power x. x to power x. This is another type because this is x to power x square, but this is another type. This is one type, this is another type. So x to power x. So in this case, taking log on both sides, x to power x. So taking log on both sides, taking log on both sides, we get log of y is equal to log of x to power x. तो माइंड इट एटा को ब्रैकेट दबो हला नहीं एमिति केबले करिवनी. दिस इज रॉन्ग. तो कौन करियो दिस इज राइट. x to power x this is right, but x to power x this is wrong. मन रहला. अच्छा तो ठीक अछि. तो implies log of y is equal to power टा फर्स्ट r पावर टा फर्स्ट रो पावर टा गणियो x to power x log x केबे भी करिवनी x log x to power x. this is wrong. हला नहीं सबले काम करिवो एटा को आगु आनिवो फर्स्ट टर्म रो पावर टा को आगु आन दो. फर्स्ट टर्म रो पावर टा काम करिवो आगु आनी गला. तो अगेन वेरिएबल रे वेरिएबल अछि. अगेन टेकिंग लॉग ऑन बोथ साइड. we get this implies log of y is equal to log of x to power x log x. So implies log of y is equal to log m into n. log of m into n. This is the m, this is the n. M into n means log m to m plus log n. Okay, so implies log of y means extra को आने दियो x log x plus log of log x, log of log x. Differentiating both sides with respect to x, differentiating both sides with respect to x, we get, so implies d by dx of log y, d by dx of log y is equal to d by dx of x log x plus log of log x, log of log x, log of log x. Okay, next তাহলে কোন পাই লেখো d by dx of x log x plus log of log x. আচ্ছা এইটা দেখো ঠিকই d by dx of log fx, দেখো d by dx of log fx এটাকে আমি ট্রিট করি fx বলে লিখি। তো আমি কোন পাইবা d by dx of log fx means 1 by fx, 1 by fx means 1 by log y into d by dx of fx, fx means log y. Okay, is equal to u into v. अच्छा फास्ट देखो d by dx of x log x plus d by dx of log x. तो implies this is 1 by log y into d by dx of log y means 1 by y into dy by dx. d by dx of log y means 1 by y into dy by dx. d by dx of log y, so this is y अच्छी, this is x अच्छी, तो हम क्या करें 1 by y into dy by dx is equal to u into v. तो dx by dx into log x plus x into d by dx of log x, u into v plus d by dx of log fx 1 by fx, 1 by fx into d by dx of fx, log fx, तो 1 by fx into d by dx of fx implies 1 by y into log y into dy by dx is equal to, this is 1, this is 1 into log x, 1 into log x plus x into 1 by x, this is 1 by x plus 1 by log x into 1 by x. तो implies dy by dx is equal to, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर दियो y log y into curly bracket, this is what 1 into log x means log x plus x cancel 1 plus 1 by x log x. बर्तमान y जगह कौन पकेबा x to power x पकेतबा, y जगह कौन पड़िबो x to power x. अच्छा log y केते ताल देखो एबे ठीक अछि d by dx of x to power x is equal to, what is y is equal to x to power x into log y. Log y is what? Log y is equal to x to power x log x. Log y is equal to log y equal x to power x log x. So this is x to power x log x. Log y रे कौन पकेले मु x to power x log x into bracket रे log x plus 1 by x log x. This is the answer. Okay, d by dx of x to power x is equal to x to power x into x to power x log x into curly bracket भितर log x plus 1 by x log x. Okay, next another type. नेक्स्ट टाइप देख टिके टाइप 2 कौन थी तुम ना लेट y इज इक्वल टू fx टू पावर gx प्लस और माइनस hx टू पावर kx fx टू पावर gx प्लस और माइनस hx टू पावर व्हाट kx. तो इन दिस केस फाइंड dy by dx, फाइंड dy by dx. तो इन दिस केस कौन करिवो, इन दिस केस let u is equal to fx to power gx and v is equal to hx to power kx. Therefore y is equal to what, u plus or minus v. y equal कौन पाइला हमें u plus or minus v. तो dy by dx is equal to d by dx of u plus or minus v. तो implies du by dx is equal to dy by dx is equal to dy by dx plus or minus dv by dx. Equation 1. Now what is u? u is equal to fx to power gx. u टा कौन fx to power gx. तो ये हम log यूज करिबा, एठी केबे भी log यूज करिवो नाही काय मझरे प्लस कि माइनस साइन थिले log of m plus n not is equal to log m प्लस log n. मन रखिए सब log of ब्रैकेट भितर m प्लस और माइनस द n अच्छी नॉट इज इक्वल टू log m प्लस और माइनस log n. तो मझे प्लस कि माइनस थे केबे डायरेक्ट log नबनी. तो गोटे को u नब गोटे को v नब. तो dy by dx इक्वल टू du by dx प्लस और माइनस dv by dx. तापर u व्हाट इज u? u इज इक्वल टू fx टू पावर gx. एठी तुम log नब. तो log of u is equal to log of fx to power gx. Okay, so implies log of u is equal to g of x log fx. तापर differentiating both side with respect to x. Differentiating both side with respect to what? x. तो कौन आसे बेटी d by dx of log u is equal to d by dx of gx into log fx. So this is d by du of log u into du by कौन dx. डिवाइड कर लिया मल्टीप्लाई कर लिया कहीं du अच्छी तो log u मीन्स du करिया पड़ियो हमको चेन ना. दिस चेन रूल इज इक्वल टू u into v. दिस इज u into v फार्मूला. तो d by dx of gx into log fx plus g of x into d by dx of log fx. तो imply this is 1 by u. d by du of log u means 1 by u into du by dx is equal to this is g dash x into log fx plus gx into 1 by fx into d by dx of fx. d by dx of fx. तो implies du by dx is equal to u टा मल्टीप्लाई कर दियो u into g dash x log fx plus gx by fx into f dash x. तो what is u? तो d by dx of or du by dx means what is u? u is equal to fx to power gx into g dash x into log fx plus gx by fx into f dash x. This is du by dx. Similarly, we can find dv by dx. Same method. Similarly, we can find dv by dx. That is v is equal to what? hx to power kx. v is equal to hx to power kx. Taking log on both sides, log v is equal to log of hx to power kx is equal to kx log hx. तापर differentiating both sides with respect to x, we get d by dx of log v. d by dx of log v. It is in log u actually कौन d by dx of log v. u जार खाली v पड़िबो. तो 1 by v dv by dx is equal to d by dx of kx into log hx plus kx into d by dx of log hx तार सन करिवो दुईटा को कौन करिवो du by dx आनिचो dv by dx आनिचो आणि इक्वेशन 1 रे पुट करिवो similarly we can find dv by dx and put in equation 1 we get required solution. Alagi similarly we can find dv by dx and put in equation 1 रे put करले हमें कौन पाइबा we get required solution. ओके आको बेस गुड क्वेश्चन देखो ताहले हला टाइप 2 को बेस गुड क्वेश्चन देखो differentiate the following. 1 sin x to power cos x plus x to power 10x. 2 sec x to power cot x minus cot x to power sec x. 3 x square plus 1 to power ln x minus 3x plus 1 to power sq plus x square plus 1. 4 ln x. 4 x 2x square plus x plus 1 to power x plus 10x to power cot x. 10x to power cot x. तो मैं गोटे करीबी है उसने जे करियो सॉल्यूशन लेट y is equal to question number 1 y is equal to sin x to power cos x plus x to power 10x. sin x to power cos x plus x to power 10x. So in this case first कौन करिबा let u is equal to sin x to power cos x and v is equal to x to power 10x. Therefore y is equal to what? U plus v. Okay, differentiating both sides with respect to x we get dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. Equation 1. As u is equal to sin x to power cos x. U is equal to what? Sin x to power cos x, taking log on both sides. Taking log on both sides. We get कौन पाए देखो तो log u, log of u is equal to log of sin x to power cos x. Log of sin x to power cos x. So implies log u is equal to power आगुआन दियो cos x log sin x. Log m to power n log m. Differentiating both sides with respect to x we get differentiating both sides with respect to x we get कौन पाए वो d by dx of log of u is equal to d by dx of cos x log sin x. So implies this is d by du of log u into du by dx. Use chain rule is equal to the u into v formula. D by dx of u into v means product of two functions. So d by dx of cos x into log sin x plus cos x into d by dx of log sin x. So implies d by du of log u. d by du of log u means 1 by u. d by du of log u means कितने 1 by u into du by dx plus is equal to d by dx of cos x means minus sin x log sin x plus cos x d by dx of log fx. So 1 by fx into derivative of fx. Derivative of fx. So what is du by dx? u da multiply karo sepaduku u into minus sin x log sin x plus cos x by sin x is cot x. Derivative cos sin x is cos x. So put u is equal to kona u is equal to sin x to power cos x. u is equal to sin x to power cos x. u is equal to put कर दियो sin x to power कौन करिवो cos x. तो d by dx of u means, so what is u? This is sin x to power cos x into cot x into cos x minus sin x into ln sin x. Okay, next. Next, similarly v again v is equal to what? X to power 10x. v is equal to कौन से हमारा x to power 10x. तो taking log on both side, so log of v is equal to log of x to power 10x. So implies log of v is equal to 10x log x. Differentiating both sides with respect to x. So implies d by dx of log v is equal to d by dx of 10x log x. Okay. So d by dx of log v. d by dx of log v means what? 1 by v into d by dx of v. d by dx of log v means 1 by v into dv by dx is equal to the use u into v formula. So d by dx of 10x into log x plus 10x into d by dx of log x. So implies what is dv by dx? So v da multiply कर दियो v into derivative of 10x. Derivative of 10x is sec square x. So this is sec square x into log x plus 10x रहेगा डेरिवेटिव log x what 1 by x. तो implies dv by dx is equal to what is v? v is equal to x to power 10x into sec square x into log x plus 10x by x. This is dv by dx. Now put the value of du by dx and dv by dx in equation 1. Put the value of du by dx and dv by dx in equation 1. We get dy by dx is equal to what is dy by dx? Sin x to power cos x into cot x into cos x minus sin x into log sin x plus is there again x to power 10x into sec square x log x plus 10x by x. So this is the answer. So derivative of sin x to power cos x plus x to power 10x is equal to sin x to power cos x into cot x into cos x minus sin x log sin x plus x to the power 10x into curly bracket bhitare c square x log x plus 10x by x plus 10x by x. This is the answer. So similarly we can do other problems 2, 3 and 4. These are homeworks for you. So you can do this way.